Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Rabbish rahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Before I proceed, I feel morally compelled to thank Honorable Dr. Asghar Dashti, Dr. Faisal, and your very efficient team, because I'm here since morning yesterday and I've observed each and everything very critically. And I take this opportunity to applaud and thank you for providing me this opportunity to speak. Very, very genuine students that I have. I am the last one, but my very, very dear students, I assure you I shall be never the least one. I am here to introduce to you the bravest person of his age, the boldest person, one-man army. I have nothing to do with this conference. I have not prepared any script. I have prepared only 7 slides exclusively for you. And I am telling you from my heart and core. This is my heart and soul that I shall share with you. I am standing in front of you after reading this man, and it has given me the resolve, determination, and energy to stand against the odd. And he is no more. मेरी आवाज आ रही बेटे उधर? ठीक है. He is this man, Bloch, a Polish banker, an economist, railways financier, and above all, an inventive thinker with exceptional geostrategic look. When you grow, inshallah, when you grow into this education, academics, please read this person, Bloch, who is the most neglected person. He conducted an apostolic, Pegambarana study on the future of war with emphasis on the economy, and subsequently created a classic research work on the warfare which impacts politics, economy, and most of all, the socio-logical order of people of varying nations. This is the most neglected piece of work that we have, the socio-logical order of people of varying nations. Please listen to me very carefully. After the war, Afghan war on terrorism, 17 to 22, according to the reports, the veteran officers like side in the United States of America. My all friends with whom I worked in Afghanistan, they are no more. I am the only one in front of you standing and talking to you. They all have perished. With this brief introduction, the aim to briefly familiarize you with the gist of Bloch's theory of the future war, with the context of security issues confronted by Pakistan. You may not agree with me. We have an existential threat. You may not agree with me. The second is to present Bloch's recommended way out to alert catastrophic scenario threatening the people of Pakistan. Please listen to me. सैलाब आया हुआ है. We don't have money. Yesterday, our finance minister met American ambassador to request him to say that IMF must behave. We don't have money. Now coming towards the foundation of Bloch's theory. They are very interesting for you to know. Why I am insisting upon you? Because you are the future. We have done nothing for you. We should be ashamed. My generation must be ashamed. We have done nothing for you. Now you have to do it yourself. An honest and judicious financial system in the world to avert conflicts. I am leaving a number of questions for you. ये तो presentation है. Please don't go and sleep over it. Think over it. Time and again. There are questions. There is a question in every line. Befitting means of communication for peace and prosperity through mutual interaction. In 1940, Polish came. In 1970, Polish came. In 2022, Polish have come. We haven't gone. Why? Think over it. They don't need us. We need them. Please be very honest to yourself. Don't live, never live in the sense of denial. He devoted his whole life in accomplishing these objectives with exceptional resolve and determination. This was all about him. But, this is the map of Europe. Now I would like to draw your attention. This is Poland, and this is the region of industrial revolution. The height of injustice to these people. We were talking about the father of our Air Force. He was a son of an imprisoned, forced labor, a Jewish. He was a Jew. He was in Siberia. When the Russian Revolution came, they came to Poland. They never found a place. They had to leave. They had to flee. Now, but the prime cause, the cause of Bloch's was unparalleled study on the future war, which is relevant even today. Basing on his study, and mind you, he was not a soldier. He was never educated from some university. He was never from staff college like me. He never studied war like me. He conducted his hobby. It was his hobby study, which he conducted, and he found out. And then we see subsequently what happens. He said, the Polish region having the Russian in the east. Now you see, please see this. Germany in the west, South Hungarian in the south. They cannot fight their competitors. Please relate it with South Asia, have Pakistan in the center, and have China, Russia, India, and Iran. Basing on his study, in 1898, he conducted his outstanding study on the future war. The impact of research was so pronounced that Tsar Nicholas II issued his eminent peace declaration, and it culminated in the Hague Peace Conference. आज आप जो जंग के अंदर जितने भी आप देख रहे हैं, ये रूल्स हैं, रेगुलेशंस हैं, कन्वेंशंस हैं, ये सारे के सारे ये ब्लॉक के तहरीर करता है। अभी तक उनकी चीजें, उनके रेलेवेंस चल रहा है। ब्लॉक थ्योरी का बेसलाइन क्या है, वो कहते क्या, फंडामेंटल क्या कहते, सोचे आप। ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट मैंने ये अचानक मेरे जहन में आया, उसकी स्टडी को आप कुरान पाक से रिलेट कर। उनकी स्टडी को कुरान पाक से रिलेट करें एंड फाइंड आउट हाउ रेलेवेंट ही वाज. He said wars to become expensive. महंगी हो गई जंग, expensive फैल गई जंग, thus non-profitable. Americans in Vietnam, Americans in Afghanistan, Americans in Iraq, Americans in Syria, Americans in Yemen, total 52 countries. What have they gained? Committing suicide, 22 suicides daily. And President Biden is begging on television, please help me to find out this solution of this problem. His rationale, massive, speedier technological developments in a vast variety of weaponry, ammunition, equipment, demanding even faster refinement in tactics and strategies, have reinvigorated war and ultimately unwinnable social, political and economic cost. हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है. We are maintaining the fifth largest army. We are a nuclear power. दिल बहलाने को गालिब क्या? The devastation incurred by technological advanced firearms coupled with radical displacement of socio-political economic fabric created by conflicts. Okay, gentlemen, I have to close it. So I just those people. I just want to introduce those people. In Pakistan Army, you are not an officer. In Pakistan Army, you are not an officer who studied this. General John Frederick Charles Fuller. और जो बाद में अभी कहने लगे कि अभी जंग बड़ी महंगी हो गई है और डिफेंस जो है. What Bloch was saying in 1898, he said after the retirement in 1960s. आगे चलते हैं. Please see this person. I can take 1 minute at least. ये प्लीज को देखें आप. ये है सर माइकल हॉवर्ड. 2019 में इनकी डेथ हुई है. 3 साल पहले इनकी डेथ हुई है. ये क्या कहते हैं? ये कहते हैं कि was an unequal piece of work, thoroughness, correctness and precision. जो उन्होंने किया ब्लॉक ने 1898 में किया, 2019 में उसको कह रहे हैं. और वो क्या कह रहे हैं ये सुने. Credited Bloch for alone questioning the devastating impact of stalled, prolonged and drawn out war on the capacity of civilian population. सिविलियन को हम डिस्कस ही नहीं करते. सैलाब आया है, हम कुछ और बातें कर रहे हैं. He was a prophet. Bloch was a prophet who saw, who looked into the future, and he predicted, which is still relevant. ये सबसे बड़े सर लिटिल हार्ट. You are not an army officer from Pakistan Army if you have not learned about Little Heart. What did he say? Please, British would have succeeded during the World War I had they followed Bloch while sailing through the quagmire of war studies which remained unproductive, unprejudiced and exceptionally broad towards his work. Bloch England गए. इंग्लैंड में गए, जाके उन्होंने उनको समझाया कि देखो ये मत करो. नहीं किया. ब्रिटिश एम्पायर फॉल हो गई. अभी वो कह रहे हैं, पीट रहे हैं लकीरें कि भाई अगर हम उनकी बात मान लेते तो जंग हम जीत जाते. ये एक है आखिरी में स्टेटमेंट आपको बताना चाह रहा हूं. व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन नाउ? वेरी हाईली रिस्पेक्टेबल एंड मोर well-read dignitaries are sitting. My teachers here, my good friends here. Please listen to this, then I wind up. He said, he is the one Peter Bloch, he died in 2020. 2 साल पहले ये मरे हैं. ये क्या कह के मरे, ये सुन लें, पढ़े. वो कह रहे हैं, despite being prosperous, the latest industrial economy, अमेरिका पर कह रहे हैं, अमेरिका, ठीक है, would remain incapacitated to sustain itself long under the stressful domain of war. चोरी छुपे अभी कह रहे हैं कि यूक्रेन की वॉर को खत्म करना है. मीडिया में आ गया, चोरी छुपे मिल रहे हैं सीआई के, यहां पर भी आए हुए हैं. तो यह है The era of limited and decisive war was over. ये कौन कह रही है? ये कह रही है बारबरा वर्टहाइम टकमैन 1989 में, मरने से पहले ही कह गई. ये तो 1898 में ब्लॉक ने कहा था. भाई आपने क्या 3 बार. With this, I end my presentation. Sir, thank you very much for giving me an opportunity.